easy for you to visual and to change the digit, change the number. And this is the ratio for fertilizer to water. And here is where you set up the water level target. So once the clear water is filled up to this set target level, then the fertigation, the nutrient dosing will start to happen. So now we are done with the setting of EC and pH and ratio of each of the nutrient dosing pump. Let's go back to the home screen, and here is where you set up some of the system setting. So this part, you usually don't need to change anything. We have our factory default setting for irrigation tank within 2 cubic meter, so don't need to change. Here, you just type in the information of your nutrient pool right here. So that's done, and we check out our irrigation plan. This is where you type into the irrigation plan. So we have in total 10 plans that you can work with, and in each plan you have 6 different periods that you can add it. For example, period 1 from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, and period 2 like maybe from 12 o'clock to 14 o'clock. And then the interval is in the unit of seconds, so maybe 600 seconds will be 10 minutes, and how many times you want to irrigate within this time frame, for example 3 times. So very easy to type in anything that you want. And in total, we can provide the irrigation pumps and valves for 8 different irrigation zones. And for each zone, you can set up the pump running time and the here. And this part is only for flow and ebb irrigation system. So usually, if you do the normal hydroponic irrigation, you just need to edit the number here. But if you want to do the ebb and flow system, then you need to set up you need to connect your solenoid valve for the release of water and set up the delay time here. Okay, so we have 8 zones, and you want them to work all together, then this icon should be in green color. If you want them to work in sequence, like for zone 1 is working, when it's done, move to the zone 2. After zone 2 is finished, then to zone 3, like have them working in sequence. Then you click here, shows order, means that they work in a sequence in order. If you want them to work together, show together. Okay, so if you just want some of the zones to be working, then just for example, this one valid and this one deactive, just click again to deactivate the certain zones that you don't want it to irrigate. Okay, that's the whole setup for irrigation plan. And as we have said, we have 10 plans. After you have done each plan, save, and then click and move to the next plan. As you can see, we have the number here. So after you save each one and you move to the next one, you click here until it's green and the number changes. Then you move to the next one. Okay.